Welcome to Trier, Germany, the oldest city in the country and often called the Rome of the North. Today, we're diving deep into the ancient Roman history that still shapes this incredible city. From towering gates to ancient bathhouses, join me on a day trip through the Roman remains of Trier. Our first stop is Porta Nigra, the largest Roman city gate north of the Alps and one of Trier's most iconic landmarks. Built in the 2nd century AD, it was part of the city's defense system and is one of the best preserved Roman structures in the world. Fun fact, Porta Nigra means black gate, named after the dark hue the stone has taken on over centuries. Next up, the Imperial Baths, or Kaiserthermen, a massive Roman bath complex that gives us a glimpse into how Romans like to unwind. Though it was never fully completed, you can still explore the underground tunnels and marvel at the scale of Roman engineering. Imagine how grand this place must have been. It was meant to serve emperors and high-ranking officials. These baths were as much a social hub as a place to bathe. No Roman city would be complete without an amphitheater, and Trier's is no exception. Built around 100 AD, this arena held up to 18,000 people who gathered to watch gladiatorial contests and other spectacles. Walking through these tunnels, you can almost hear the roar of the crowds and imagine the tension of the fighters waiting below. This is the Basilica of Constantine, a massive Roman hall that served as Emperor Constantine's throne room in the early 4th century. It's said to be the largest single-room structure from Roman times still standing today. Just imagine an emperor holding court in this vast space. From one grand building to another, this is the Cathedral of Trier. Built on the foundations of a Roman palace, this cathedral still holds parts of the original Roman architecture within its walls. It's also home to what's said to be the Holy Robe of Christ, one of the most important religious relics in Germany. And finally, what better way to end the day than relaxing at Hauptmarkt Square? Grab a coffee, check the famous Moselle wines, soak in the atmosphere, and admire the blend of Roman, medieval, and modern architecture that defines Trier today. This square has been a bustling center for over 1,000 years. A perfect spot to reflect on your day exploring Trier's ancient Roman history. That's a wrap on our Roman day trip to Trier. From the monumental Porta Nigra to the tranquil Hauptmarkt Square, Trier's Roman history is everywhere you look. If you love history and ancient architecture, this city should definitely be on your travel list. Until next time, happy travels.